This is a question you need to ask yourself if you want to save years, if not decades of your life. And that question is, what does success look like for you? Everybody has different ideas of what success means to them. For some people, especially like our brown people, success is becoming a doctor, becoming an engineer, becoming something like a computer scientist, whatever, So it's like if you become one of these like high paying jobs, high status jobs in society, you become successful. You make all your family back home in like Bangladesh and stuff proud of you because you're a doctor now, you're an engineer now. This is what success means for you. But you got to realize that everybody has like different definitions of success. My definition of success is completely different from somebody else's definition of success. It's like, and it's kind of hard because we're like so brainwashed by like the media, by our teachers, by our parents even, to tell us that no, you need to do this if you want to be successful in your life. You need to go to school, go do this, go that, all these like different like checklists you need to get done during your life if you want to be successful. And if you don't do it, you're a bum. You're a failure if you're not successful according to society standards. I went to university in 2018, dropped out. Went back again another year later, dropped out again. Went back another year later, dropped out again. I've dropped out of college like 3 times because every single time, the reason why I go there is because, I really have a lot of respect for my parents, right? And my parents would always tell me that they really want me to succeed in life and they want me to go to college and get this nice job, get a nice degree, whatever. And it's like, I really want to like look up to these people. So I want to like make them proud and whatever. And so it's like, I've always like forced myself to go to school, go do like all these classes that I don't even care about, right? And it's like, I would realize like 2 months into my classes that I don't even want to do this. I really don't see myself like getting, like, let's say I do go to college, let's say I get a degree that like the degree that they want me to get, like a cybersecurity degree or like a computer science degree. I get this degree, I'm going to work at a job that I hate the rest of my life. According to everybody's standards, I'm supposed to be successful, right? I'm supposed to be successful at a tech company, and now I'm successful. But is it really successful if I hate my life? Is it really successful if I despise waking up every day, going to this job that I hate, when I would rather stay home and work for myself, create something for myself, so that way I can look back in my life and be proud of myself for struggling now so that I can enjoy my life later, rather than hating my life? Are you really going to sacrifice your own mental sanity for other people's definition of success? So why do you force yourself to be stuck in this box where you're surrounded by everybody's expectation? Because everybody tells you if you want to be successful, you need to follow this script. You need to follow this script for life. And if you don't follow it, you're a failure. But is that really true? Like, I forgot the author's name, but there's this book called 5 Rings. And it's like this Japanese author. He talks about how there are hundreds of ways to go up a mountain. You can go up a mountain this way. You can go around like the back and go up this mountain. You can go to the side if you want, go around the mountain and then go back up like the other half up the mountain, So there's like hundreds of ways to go up this mountain. If there was only one way to go up a mountain in life, everybody would be a failure. If there's only one path in life, there's only one way for you to be successful in life, then 99% of people in this world would be unsuccessful. Because there's not only just one way for you to be successful. So you need to sit down and question to yourself, what does it truly mean for me to be successful? What do I want to do in my life that will tell me that I've been successful in my life? And you might think you know what you want in life, but you truly don't, because of like all these like conditions we've been put through. Like we've been told like you have to, we're brainwashed by the media to think that if you have a nice car, you're successful. If you have a nice house, you're successful. And you start adopting these ideas thinking, yeah, I'm going to get this car so I can be successful. And so like you like transfigure your own idea of success into like other people's ideas of success. So you really need to sit down and take time to think about, what is success to me? Me personally, success is literally making enough money to be able to cover my family's bills, cover my future wife and kids' bills, whatever, bro. Like, take care of them. As long as they're straight, I'm fine. That's successful in my life. I don't really need anything else in this life. Like, I have everything that I want in my life. Like, anything else is just extra. So as long as I can provide for my family, I'm successful. But, everybody doesn't have the same idea of success. For you, it can literally go like travel across the world or whatever, like, let's just say it's like an example, whatever. Like, you want to travel to every single country in the world. as long as you travel to every single country, then you're successful. So it's like you need to really sit down and think to yourself, okay, what is really the definition of success for me? And if I achieve this, will I be happy with my life? Will I be content with my life? And if the answer is no, if you travel to all these countries that you thought would make you successful and you end up finding out that you feel even more empty than before, then your idea of success is skewed, and you need to sit down and think about what is success for you. So I answer this question because if you don't answer this question, you're going to waste so many years of your life not realizing that you're trying to find this form of success that doesn't even exist. You're trying to chase after success that you were never supposed to chase after. I use myself as an example. Like, I wanted to really be a rapper. You know, I recorded out like so many songs. I only released like 2 of them, but I recorded so many songs, and I had this vision that I'm going to be the next rapper, the next biggest brown rapper in the game. I'm gonna be Nav 2.0, right? Then the pandemic happened and I couldn't go out to record music at the studios. And so I'm sitting at home instead of recording music, thinking to myself, you know, if this music stuff did work out, would I actually enjoy my life? And I tried to like cope and think of like how many ways like my life can improve. Like, I'll have clout, I'll have status in life, I'll be like famous worldwide, and it's like I'll have money now too. And it's like I thought about it more, and I'm like, okay, but does that really make me feel happy in life? Does that really make me feel like I'm successful? And honestly, it doesn't. It's not something that I would want to like enjoy. Like, I enjoy making music, but I wouldn't want to like be forced to like work to create music, because then like the creativity would be gone. You could only make the same song so many times until it's like, okay, bro, this is kind of played out now, I might as well stop. And the fact that like you need to have this certain persona for like, if you want to be a rapper in life, you need to be, you already know what I mean, but like you need to be like talking about drugs, you need to be talking about like a whole bunch of stuff that like I'd like trying to change. When I started to change my life, I realized, how can I be a rapper and still talk about, how can I be a rapper and promote stuff that I don't even do myself anymore, you know? So it's like I realized that if I want to be successful, I can't be a rapper, even if it was like my dream at one point, even if it was my passion at one point to become a rapper. So you need to start following your own definition of success, because nobody knows what success is. Nobody knows. Like, your teachers who tell you to become successful in life, your parents who want you to be successful, your friends who want you to be successful, if they want the best for you, if they really want you to be successful, they will let you figure it out. They will let you choose what success means for you, and they'll let you chase after it. They won't try to put you in a box and tell you, if you want to be successful, you got to do X, Y, and Z. Because there's a good chance that the stuff that they're telling you about success is the same information that they've been told, indoctrinated into believing as they were children. So it's like you really got to like think for yourself and realize that, are they really telling me for my own benefit, or are they telling me because it's just all they know? Not everyone is supposed to chase after the same goals. Not everybody is supposed to have the same dreams. So you need to figure out what your dream is, figure out what your goals in life, and go chase after it.